In this video, I'll show you how to verify your identity on Underdog Fantasy. First, to visit the Underdog Fantasy website or app, create an account by entering a nickname and any combination of 2 letters and numbers. Provide a passport or other identity methods for identity verification. Now, verify your email address by clicking the confirmation link sent to your email and log into your account to proceed with the next steps. These permissions are required to finalize the sign-up and ensure compliance with regional regulations. Enter your specific address. This step ensures eligibility, and check the rules and terms in the drop-down menu to confirm your state of eligibility. And finally, all you have to do is to provide your date of birth to confirm you meet the age requirements and click Verify to complete the basic verification process. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.